This stainless steel built-in double oven from Zanussi is a great choice if you want an excellent value model with fantastic features and flexible cooking space. Both ovens have an A rating for energy efficiency. The main oven has a large 68-litre capacity, whereas the second oven is a little smaller with a 43-litre capacity. The second cavity also works as a conventional oven and grill, so you'll have plenty of space if you enjoy hosting dinner parties. The electric fan oven in this model provides a fast, effective, and energy-efficient way to cook your food. The fan moves warm air around the cavity so that heat is spread evenly across all shelves with no transference of flavours. So, you'll be able to prepare starters, main courses, and desserts together, while your food will always have the perfect finish. This model has a special coating on the inside to make cleaning effortless. The oven cavities are covered in greaseproof enamel, which stops food from sticking, so it can simply be wiped away with a cloth. This means your oven is really easy to maintain and you'll save time on cleaning. If you want flexible cooking space and fantastic features, this excellent built-in double oven from Zanussi is the right choice for you.